Arizonans try to financially recover from the impact of the pandemic. Scammers are preying on their situation. Now on your side, Chandrea Thomas spoke to the IRS about how economic impact payments and child tax credit money are a part of the mix.
The IRS says they saw a record number of complaints about economic impact payment scams between June and July, and they want you to know about it so you don't become a victim.
All it takes is a simple click.
Nationwide, we're seeing the second highest number of complaints relating to phishing emails.
Brian Watson with the Tucson Internal Revenue Service says phishing scams are #1 on their scam list, and now they're on the rise.
Phishing emails have a lot of typos, grammatical errors. A lot of times they're written by people who live in other countries.
Thieves are targeting Arizonans with fake guarantees of economic impact and child tax credit payments. They're reaching victims of all ages by email and text.
It's just very tempting. You're sitting at home, get a text message, and it says you're now eligible for an economic impact payment. And if you're one of those people who didn't get the third round, you might be tempted to click on that link.
Thieves can also steal information from your cell phone and computer.
I've seen a lot of younger people, teenagers, people in their 20s, being very quick to click on links on their phone thinking that it's safe. They're just as likely to get scammed by the criminals as anybody else.
The messages come with promises of fast tracking payments, but there are ways to find out if an email is legit. And in some cases, they want victims to pay fees.
If you hover your mouse over that hyperlink, you'll see it goes to a very long website. That is the huge sign that you know that it's a complete scam.
IRS officials say double check with the agency directly if you have any questions about your case.
The scammers would not do this if it didn't work. They know that there are people out there that will click on links and respond to text messages and provide information.
At the end of the day, the IRS will never send emails and text messages, threaten jail and lawsuits, or demand payments on gift cards or cryptocurrency. They only send letters in the mail. If you get one of these messages, be sure to forward it to phishing@irs.gov. Chandrea Thomas, KGUN 9 on your side.